I'm working for the Blue Book Theater Company, and I act as the assistant director in our current production of Hand to God, as well as I do some technical assistance. And if an actor is absent, in any case, I'd be usually subbing in for them.
I work right now for a company called Move Team, which basically creates scavenger hunt-like games for purposes of team building, but could also be used in team building with different companies or a little bit of tourism or for educational purposes. It's very multi-purpose, and it's a lot of fun and playfulness, which I really love.
I've been interning with Zero Waste Barcelona. I've been able to work directly with one of the co-founders for my entire internship, which has been an amazing experience.
We are currently at Kim Barcelona. We're a tech transfer logistics firm. We're specializing in mostly aerospace, but also some environmental things like water energy transformation and things of that nature.
I think it's been really helpful for me to kind of see the other side of the theater, because I've always been an actor and I've been a director a little bit in the past, but I never really got to look at the technical side of theater and kind of what leading a rehearsal would look like, what leading an improv game would look like, because I love all those things, but I've never been able to see the other side of them. I think that's been very helpful for me and will be helpful for me in the future.
I've learned a ton about, I think, in two very different aspects. One is sustainability, which I'm studying in college, so I've gotten to learn about it in just a much more global way, because I think at home in my area in the US, I was quite involved, but really only in my town and city. And I know the legislature in my own country, but just especially when we did the sustainability courses with teachers from all over Europe, we had these really elaborate discussions about sustainability policy and action in different countries all over the world, and just across language barriers and everything. And that was such a valuable experience that I would never have gotten at home. And so I feel like I'm understanding the issue in a much more global context now, which is really amazing.
I think it's been very helpful, especially in the sense that it's an office environment, something I haven't been used to, and working under people, because it gives you the pressure almost to not let them down, I think is very important. And just the talking to networking people that I usually wouldn't be speaking to, and I've enjoyed it a lot, and I feel like I've grown a lot as well. I enjoyed that a lot because it was hearing a lot of speakers throughout the technology space in Barcelona, and there's a lot of really interesting ideas, and it felt very professional, something I haven't been involved in, and it was a very cool networking opportunity. And then just the day-to-day aspects of working on things like aerospace, something I know very little about, but it's very interesting to me. So I would say those are the two highlights. And then obviously the wonderful team we have here.
I've learned a lot, but I think the biggest thing I've learned is the logistics that come to developing a company. My boss has been so welcoming, and I'm very appreciative of that. So I think that's also been a huge, huge impact on my experience.